You may have heard that staging your home properly can make a big difference when you sell your house. But what exactly is home staging, and is it really worth your time and effort? Here are a few quick FAQs that can help you decide how much you should prioritize staging as you prepare your move. But first, what is home staging? Staging is a process of rearranging and decorating your house to highlight its best features and make it appealing as possible to potential buyers. It can range from simple touch-ups to more extensive setups, depending upon your needs and budget. But how does that help you sell your house? Studies show good staging does have an impact on your sale, as seen here. Staging your house well can help you attract more attention for buyers, which ultimately helps it sell faster and maybe for a higher price than an unstaged home. So what are your staging options? Now that you can see the value, let's think through your options. The most common is leaning on your agent for their expert advice. They know what buyers like because they're in showings all the time and hear that feedback firsthand. That expertise is crucial to getting your home market ready. Basic staging with an agent usually means they give you insight into how you should declutter and depersonalize by removing photos and personal items. Rearrange your furniture to improve the room's flow and make it feel bigger. And add plants, move art, or rearrange other accessories. Full service staging is another option if your house needs more hands-on attention. This is when you hire a staging professional or staging company to come in, make recommendations, and do the work for you. Now, going this route is more involved, and that makes it more costly too. That's because it can include renting furniture and decor to more fully transform a space. But what if your house is vacant? There are very sophisticated AI programs that can virtually stage your home, and the results are very realistic. You can have a choice of furniture styles and colors, as well as placement of furnishings, which give your buyers a peek at what is possible. Not sure which one you need? You don't have to figure that out on your own. We can help you determine what level of staging will make the most impact on your house and the market. We can help you decide if professional staging is worth the investment or if you can knock it out with our advice alone. And just so you know, here are some of the factors an agent will look at to figure that out. First, market conditions. If the market is slower, going all in on staging can make your home look more move-in ready and attractive to buyers who may otherwise be hesitant. If your local market is very active and homes are selling fast, you may be able to get by with doing less. Second, your home's condition. If your home is vacant or has a unique layout, using a professional stager who can bring in the right furniture and accessories may help the buyers truly visualize its full potential, so you can stage it virtually for a more economical approach. Number 3, your budget. We can guide you through staging costs in your area, as it can be a difference between your house selling and sitting. But if your budget is tight or your home only needs minor updates, we can help you think outside the box by suggesting simple DIY staging tips to help your home look at its best. Staging your home properly can make it much more attractive to buyers, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution, and every home shines differently. So let's connect to talk through what your house really needs to stand out and sell for top dollar.